Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement the past couple of days, not only from a price action perspective, but looking down here at the volume. While not gigantic volume, still good, respectable volume. And like I said, the price is making some good bullish movements upwards. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support I want to point out here is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 0.035. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.035, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Next level after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits at 0.034 and a half. So 0.034 and a half, and then 0.035. I mean, if you want, you can just call this a support zone in and of itself. Those would be those near-term levels of support. However, taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. No doubt about it. Again, yeah, staying above 0.035 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned right now, right up around 0.037 is looking to be that key battleground. But in my opinion, top priority by far is not necessarily breaking resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built over longer periods of time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So nice past couple of days, and let's see if the price can keep on chipping away and building higher lows or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.